back again with another shirt, and you might be bored. If you've watched them all, you're going to be bored with how much European club shirts I actually own. It's amazing. We've got a Bayern Munich home shirt. What can I say about this? It's amazing. I love it. It's red, but it's designed. So it's got design all over it, but it's still red. It's so good. This has actually been in a wash a lot of times and nothing bad has happened to it, so I'm happy. It's got the Qatar Airways on the sleeve. I really like the way the red and white contrast. The back is a bit messed up, a little bit. Some of the letters are peeling. That is due to me wearing this shirt a lot for gym, football, five-a-side, etc. It's still not too bad. I believe I'll put this in the dryer, so it is a bit terrible. I don't really have too much to say about this shirt other than I really like this shirt. One, because it is a Bayern Munich shirt. Two, because it is nice and clean, classic home colorway red. I don't really like buying too many home shirts because a lot of clubs do have just red, just blue. You know, it gets a bit boring. I like different home shirts, so I tend to go for home shirts that are quite different. So if they're an unusual color, I prefer buying away and third shirts, just because they always change, they're always different. Whereas with a home shirt, it's always going to be the same color. There's not too much they can do. But I don't really have too much to say. Leave a comment if you like it. Leave a comment if you don't. I'll see you in the next one.